Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter error code EA_186 add. The error reads, "A communication error has occurred." As per our research, the error comes when players try to join a friend's quest. Every time they attempt to load in, they get kicked out with this message. First, we suggest you close and restart the game, then check if the error still comes. If restarting the game doesn't help, try power cycling your device along with the internet. To do this, turn off your gaming device and unplug the power cable. Then do the same with your router. Then wait for about 5 minutes, then reconnect everything and check if the error still comes. If the error continues and you are having the error while joining anyone's quest, then add that person as a friend and check for the error again. If the error persists, try forwarding the required ports under your router settings. If you are unsure how to do this, you can refer to portforward.com/monster-hunter-wilds for detailed guidance. If none of these steps work, try connecting over a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error is still appearing, then the issue might be from the server side due to some temporary problems. In this case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.